What makes the Ferrari Enzo the ultimate expression of automotive engineering? Join us as we delve into the unparalleled performance, design, and legacy of this iconic supercar. Get ready to experience the thrill of the Enzo, where speed meets sophistication in a symphony of Italian excellence. Design and engineering excellence. The Ferrari Enzo epitomizes design and engineering brilliance, seamlessly blending aesthetics with high-performance capabilities. Its sculpted bodywork, characterized by aerodynamic curves and aggressive lines, not only captivates the eye, but also serves a crucial function in enhancing airflow and stability at high speeds. Beneath its sleek exterior lies a marvel of engineering, featuring a lightweight carbon fiber chassis and advanced suspension systems that deliver unparalleled handling and responsiveness. Every component, from the powerful V12 engine to the precision-tuned gearbox, is meticulously crafted to extract maximum performance, making the Ferrari Enzo a true masterpiece of automotive engineering and a symbol of Italian craftsmanship at its finest. Performance specifications. The Ferrari Enzo sets the benchmark for supercar performance with jaw-dropping specifications that defy convention. Powered by a ferocious V12 engine delivering over 650 horsepower, it catapults from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3.5 seconds, with a top speed exceeding 220 miles per hour. Its lightning fast shifts, courtesy of a sequential gearbox derived from Formula One technology, ensures seamless acceleration and razor-sharp responsiveness on both road and track. Meticulously engineered aerodynamics provide unparalleled stability and downforce, allowing the Enzo to corner with astonishing precision and confidence. With performance figures that push the boundaries of automotive engineering, the Ferrari Enzo stands as a testament to uncompromising speed, agility, and acceleration. Limited production and rarity. The Ferrari Enzo's exclusivity is ingrained in its DNA, with production limited to a mere 399 units, plus one additional model gifted to Pope John Paul II. This scarcity elevates its allure among collectors and enthusiasts, transforming it into a coveted automotive treasure. Each Enzo is meticulously handcrafted at Ferrari's Maranello factory, ensuring the utmost attention to detail and quality. Its rarity not only contributes to its mystique but also enhances its investment potential, with values appreciating significantly over time. Owning a Ferrari Enzo is akin to possessing a rare masterpiece, a symbol of automotive excellence and prestige that transcends mere transportation to become a symbol of unparalleled luxury and status. Technological innovations. The Ferrari Enzo is a triumph of automotive engineering, boasting an array of groundbreaking technologies that push the boundaries of performance and handling. Its advanced traction control systems and electronic stability control ensure optimal grip and stability, even under the most demanding driving conditions. The Enzo also features state-of-the-art carbon ceramic brakes, offering unmatched stopping power and fade resistance for unparalleled safety and control. Drawing inspiration from Formula One, it incorporates cutting-edge aerodynamic solutions, including active spoilers and diffusers, to optimize downforce and minimize drag. Every technological innovation in the Enzo is meticulously calibrated to deliver an exhilarating driving experience that is both thrilling and uncompromising, setting new standards for supercar performance and innovation. Heritage and legacy. The Ferrari Enzo represents the pinnacle of Ferrari's rich automotive heritage, drawing inspiration from iconic models of the past while setting new standards for future generations of supercars. Named after the legendary founder, Enzo Ferrari, it pays homage to his vision of creating the ultimate racing machines for the road. Building upon a legacy of motorsport excellence, the Enzo incorporates Formula One-derived technologies and engineering expertise, cementing its place in automotive history. Its lineage can be traced back to illustrious predecessors like the Ferrari F40 and F50, each contributing to its pedigree as a true automotive icon. The Ferrari Enzo's enduring legacy ensures its status as a timeless symbol of passion, performance, and Italian craftsmanship. Ready to embark on your own journey of automotive excellence? Don't forget to subscribe for more thrilling content on the world's most iconic cars, and hit that like button if you enjoyed our exploration of the Ferrari Enzo. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep the passion for driving alive.